Determination of crystal structure by Bragg's method. So, Braggs have developed a method to determine the crystal structure, which is also called as X-rays diffraction method or Bragg's method. And this is have two types. That is the rotating crystals technique called Bragg's rotating crystal method, and second one is the powder technique or powder method. Here we discuss in detail about the rotating crystal method. So this X-ray spectrometer consists of a X-ray tube. Here this is a X-ray tube, and in this X-ray tube in which X-ray of uniform wavelength are produced, which are allowed to pass, whatever the X-rays produced are allowed to pass through a slit and strike a single sample crystal mounted on a rotating or turntable. म्हणजेच इथं जे एक्सरे तयार होणार आहेत ते फोकसिंग स्लिटच्या साहाय्यानं या टर्निंग टेबलवरती जो क्रिस्टल माउंट केलेला आहे या क्रिस्टलवरती इन्सिडेंट होते. अ क्रिस्टल इज माउंटेड on a turntable such that X-ray will strike the particular planes of the crystal. The glancing angle can be changed by इथं क्रिस्टल आणि एक्सरे मध्ये जो ग्लान्सिंग अँगल होणार आहे that angle can be changed by turning the table or rotating the table in an appropriate direction. The intensities of reflected X-rays, whatever the reflection from this crystal and reflected X-rays, intensity is recorded in this recording device. So, by rotating the table slowly, the glancing angle theta at which the maximum intensities of reflected beam from a particular type of plane is recorded. Whatever the crystal sample used here and from the particular plane of this crystal, whatever the reflections, that reflections is recorded in this recording device. The angle for which reflection have maximum intensity will give the value of glancing angle theta. जे रिफ्लेक्शन्स असणार आहेत, ज्या रिफ्लेक्शनला मॅक्झिमम इंटेन्सिटी मिळेल त्या अँगलला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे, ग्लान्सिंग अँगल थीटा. द प्रोसेस इज रिपीटेड फॉर ईच प्लेन ऑफ द क्रिस्टल. क्रिस्टलच्या प्रत्येक प्लेन साठी ते आपण रिपीट करूया. द लोएस्ट अँगल ॲट which the maximum reflection occurs correspond to n is equal to 1. That is, it is called as first order reflection. Then the next higher angle at which the maximum reflection occurs again corresponds to n is equal to 2 and it is called second order reflection. Then next higher angle at which maximum reflection occurs, it corresponds to n is equal to 3 and it is called third order reflection, and so on. From the glancing angle values for different planes of the crystal, जे क्रिस्टलचे डिफरंट प्लेन आहेत त्या प्रत्येक प्लेनच्या ग्लान्सिंग अँगल व्हॅल्यूज वरून आपल्याला काय करता येईल, द स्पेसिंग्स ऑफ प्लेन्स डी and ratio of interplanar distance is calculated, and from which the type of crystal lattice is decided. Type of crystal lattice is decided. That means either it is simple cubic or face centered cubic or body centered cubic lattice is determined. Okay, this is about determination of crystal structure by rotating crystal structure method.